Did you know that up to 25% of young men lose their hair in their 20s? And if you are struggling with the same issue, then this is the video for you. Hi, I am Sahil Niyazi. I'm a plastic surgeon at SB Aesthetics, Gurgaon. Hair loss is a very common issue nowadays, and multiple factors affect it, like your lifestyle, stress, habits like tobacco consumption, alcohol, diseases like thyroid diseases, fungal diseases, but above all, there is a single factor, which is your genetics. It can cause a hair loss to start even in your 20s. And for a person entering his or her prime age, having hair loss definitely negatively impacts their confidence and self-esteem. As we know that in baldness, hair transplant is the gold standard treatment. And for such a case, for a young person, it may seem present like a suitable choice. But before going for such a procedure, there are a few things which need to be kept in mind. Number one, first of all, the young hairline is a bit low as compared to a mature hairline. And your donor hair, they're not that stable also. So if a person goes for hair transplant in their 20s, then they run the risk of, losing their hairline and the density, because your native hair, they continue to recede back. What happens is that you end up chasing that hairline and it needs multiple secondary procedures. Eventually, you exhaust your donor area and the scars are more visible. So first of all, consult a certified plastic surgeon and then start the medical therapy as early as possible so you can delay the hair loss as much as possible. And once the hair loss stabilizes, then you can plan a hair transplant procedure and have maximum benefits with 1 or 2 procedures. Second thing is to work on your lifestyle. Work on your stress level, improve your sleeping conditions, your nutritional profile, and take care of any local issues like fungal infections or seborrheic dermatitis, which can help in improving the results. Now, one last thing which I would like to add is that in recent trends we have seen hair patches come up. Now, this may seem like a pocket-friendly option, definitely, but in long term it is not so beneficial. First of all, it needs a regular maintenance, so the cost adds up. And secondly, the glue used chronically on your skin can cause hair loss further by damaging the skin and the hair root. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, do mention them in the comment box below and we will answer them. Please like the video and share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you.